Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the Recraft tutorial. So if you want to turn your imaginations into stunning visuals with AI, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Recraft in 2025, the tool where AI meets artistry, plus how we can mix common problems. So Recraft is one of the most powerful AI design tools. Whether you are making logos, illustrations, or stunning visuals, it's beginner-friendly yet professional. So first you can just go to the Recraft.ai, and here you can choose your canvas in here, your format, whether you want logos, icon, tag images, or ads. And you can just type in your idea, for example, in here, futuristic neon cityscape. You can hit on the arrow up. Now you can just sign in to Recraft. You can use your email, or you can also use your Discord, Apple ID, or Google account. So after you sign up or sign in, you will be directed to your project recaps in here. It might take a while because maybe too many users use the AI at the same time. So you can just, after the image is generated, you can Recap will give you options. You can adjust the styles, tweak colors, and refine details until it matches your vision. And once you're happy, you can just click on download to save your design in high quality PNG or SVG. And if something goes wrong, you can, here are some tips from me. If the tool's not loading like this, you can just refresh, click on this refresh button, or clear your browser cache. And if you get low quality results, you can refine your prompt or change style. And if the export is not working, you can try another browser or log in. And that's how you can use Recraft in 2025. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.